very proud of Voice of America and the 7th anniversary for being such a pillar in this department to bring what's going on in the world into all of our homes, something that's broadcasted 24/7. So we want to say congratulations, and if there's anything that you need within the grant department or the State Department, I'm there in the office to help you guys, and the congressman is here to support and help all the residents in the 3rd District. Thank you again. Congratulations.
लॉस वेगास में सुंदर का
और अजीज हमवतनों ख़वातीन और हज़रात, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। I think the voice of South Asia, and not just to them, but also to all the people who are working from behind the scenes, who are working from behind the curtain, who are behind the camera, and have turned this institution into an impactful platform. I understand and I believe that ever since I landed, I've come across quite few media houses in New York and in the Tri-State. However, VOSA stands apart, and stands apart for reasons which are arrestingly convincing and beautiful. The hard work of infotainment, not just informing the community, but also entertaining them. I believe that has been done till now very effectively by VOSA, and for which they deserve a most sincere commendation. Besides this, I have been observing that they have also been doing the job of renaissance, that is, bringing in awareness into different segments of our Pakistani American community. They have been telling the community to take part in the democratic processes in the states around New York and in the United States of America in general. They have been trying to convey to them the point that unless they become part of the democratic processes in the United States of America, they won't be able to have any impactful influence on the formulation of policies in the United States of America. In other words, they have been trying to convince the community to get up, be part of the communities around them at large, and sincerely participate in the democratic processes in the United States of America, which I believe is a service
Thank you, Mr. Ahmad, for such kind words and supporting our community here. I see all the guys standing. Why?
दोबारा ही हुआ मेरी बहुत तवील बीमारी के बाद, और मैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सेहतमंद आप दोस्तों की दुआओं के सदके दोबारा इस कम्युनिटी में आया, और मैं आपका बड़ा मशहूर हूँ। अल्लाह पाक आप सबको सेहत, सलामती और अपने प्यारे बच्चों के साथ मोहब्बत की तौफीक अता फरमाए। VOSA का बड़ा मशहूर हूँ कि जिन्होंने चीज़ को इसका समझा। मैं थोड़ा सा सिर्फ कोविड के हवाले से ये बता दूँ, कोविड में अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमने कोविड फैमिलीज़ को सिर्फ ब्रॉन्क्स से सर्च किया, अपस्टेट्स से लेकर सारे बोरों तक कोविड वैक्सीन जो है हमने मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के लिए, जिसमें कॉन्सुलेट हमारा, जितने हमारे मुस्लिम कॉन्सुलेट थे उनको, और हमारा जो हमारे मिशन जो है रिलीफ का, और जिन जिन लोगों ने हमारे साथ उन दिनों में वॉलंटियर किया, ब्राउन्स में हमारे पास 255 वॉलंटियर्स थे। मैं इतना कि मैनेजमेंट का, उनकी टीम का बड़ा मशहूर हूँ जिन्होंने मेरे ऊपर एतमाद किया।
आपको बैठ के बात करनी है तो बाहर जा सकते हैं, बहुत खुली फजा है, लेकिन इस हॉल में बैठे तो बराए मेहरबानी खामोशी से प्रोग्राम को अपनी तकलीफ दें।
Recognition award goes to a very amazing woman. Her name is, I think you guys know.
काम बनाया है कि उनके बहुत सारे कारनामे हैं जो कम वक्त में नहीं बताए जा सकते। कम से कम अपनी खवातीन को एहतराम, इज्जत दें और जबरदस्त तालियों में अपनी बहन को स्टेज पर पेश करें।
Thank you so much. It is a great privilege and honor for me to serve my community. As many of you who know me, my work, Amna's work, we know that how from scratch we started and here we are. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Almighty Allah, with the prayers of our seniors, our brothers and sisters, educating our community and bringing the awareness in our community about the services of Apna and many other not-for-profit organizations. You see a lot of logos and symbols here. Somebody came 20 years ago, more than 30 years ago, for the betterment of our families and our kids. But ultimately, we got connected with our community. It's about our youngsters, it's about our generations. So please, make sure that whatever differences.
Hopefully, yes, inshallah, we're going to make our country and our community proud. Thank you. Now, I would request Mr. Fahim Mian to come on stage and present a bouquet to Mr. Shabir. Go. Thank you.
And to celebrate this milestone.
Mariam. So, we have a very special guest. Her name is Nikhil Solange. Please, huge round of applause.
Almont Valley Street. Anyone live down here? Yeah, it's a wonderful community. And what's exciting about the community that is there is a growing South Asian community that brings such amazing diversity to that wonderful place. I'm so excited. And so I thank you so much. The voice of it's the people that live in the community. And so I stand always in solidarity with the South Asian community, especially against xenophobia, especially against the anti-Asian rhetoric that we see nowadays. And as chair of the Black, Hispanic, Puerto Rican, Asian Caucus, the people of color in state government, it's so important.
The federal prison on 30th Street and 3rd Avenue demanding for their release because it was wrong how we took a prosperous and thriving community on Coney Island Avenue where many businesses and young people were growing and devastated that community. But you came back. Your real resiliency is the real have accomplishments, specifically those from the Pakistani community. As we did the first flag raising on Coney Island Avenue, as we stood side by side and continue to do the great things from this community. Now remember reflecting, traveling to Lahore, and making this planned trip to Lahore when there was a bombing in Pakistan, standing with your members who tried to take that trip there before the State Department said we couldn't. We have stood side by side. So with the Chinese community a few days ago, as I crisscrossed this entire city, the emergent immigrant communities have a belief that you all share. You believe in family, you believe in faith, you believe in small business, and you believe in public safety. That is the spirit and energy of this city. And that's
all of you, New York. And everyone knows he represents South Asian community. And thank you, Mr. Mayor. Thank you very much that you take some time to be here with us for celebration. And thank you very much for all of your services, whatever you've done for the city. And York especially loves as a TV, I'm telling you, your good luck. I don't want to take a lot of time just to explain something new or something, whatever we done. As you know, we, the TV of South Asian community, it's your TV. And we don't believe on the breaking news, we don't believe any kind of news.
बेटी मेरा शेर सुनारी जी के लिफाफे में डाल कर रख दी, उसकी यादें संभाल कर रख दी, और जो ही ओझल हुआ वो आंखों से मैंने आंखें निकाल कर रख दी। जो लोग थोड़े से अक्लमंद हैं वो मुझे सुनेंगे, बाकी आप अपना हिसाब लगा लें। बहुत शुक्रिया। एक मोसा टीवी के लिए एक छोटा सा शेर कि देखा जो काम मैंने इन मोसा टीवी वालों का, देखा जो काम मैंने इन मोसा टीवी वालों का, अब तो करना होगा आखिर भरोसा टीवी वालों का। देखा जो इनका चैनल तो बोली एक हसीना, जी चाहता है जाके जी चाहता है ले लूं मैं बोसा टीवी वालों का। तो ये हमारे बोसा टीवी वालों की बहुत मेहनत है कि आज उनका 7वां जो है वो मना रहे हैं हम लोग, 7वीं सेलिब्रेशन है। अब आप बता दें कि उर्दू सुननी है या पंजाबी।
भाई मुझसे दोबारा ही फरमाइए।
मेरा उर्दू का शेर है कि तेरे घर से तेरे बच्चों की घर नानी नहीं जानी, तेरे घर से तेरे बच्चों की घर नानी नहीं जानी, तो फिर ये बात भी तय है परेशानी नहीं जानी। और बिना मेकअप के महफिल में अगर सब औरतें आई, बिना मेकअप के महफिल में अगर सब औरतें आई, तो किसकी कौन जोजा है ये पहचानी नहीं जानी, तो किसकी कौन जोजा है ये पहचानी नहीं जानी। और किया करता हूँ बेगम को नसीहत आदतन अक्सर, कि आप सब मर्दों की है कि किया करता हूँ बेगम को नसीहत आदतन अक्सर, मुझे जबकि पता भी है मेरी मानी नहीं जानी, मुझे जबकि पता भी है मेरी मानी नहीं जानी। तगड़े सारे यार ने तेरे, गलियां और बाजार ने तेरे, ऊंचे कारोबार ने तेरे, लाए 10 कमाए 100, अकड़ बकड़ बम्बे बो 80 90 पूरा 100। और देश की शान बढ़ाई जावे, अपना ढिड बढ़ाई जावे, कर्जे लेना खाई जावे, देश की शान बढ़ाई जावे, अपना ढिड बढ़ाई जावे, कर्जे लेना खाई जावे, वापस मंगिए कह दे नो, अकड़ बकड़ बम्बे बो 80 90 पूरा 100। और तेरे लिए तकलीफा सहते चोर भी तेनों कुछ नहीं कहते, तेरे लिए तकलीफा सहते चोर भी तेनों कुछ नहीं कहते, तेरी कोठी उठते बंदे ओयो करते आंखें जो, अकड़ बकड़ बम्बे बो 80 90 पूरा 100। और पहले अपनी यार बनावे फिर तू मार के सुते छावे, पहले अपनी यार बनावे फिर तू मार के सुते छावे, प्यो तो पुत्र नाल लड़ावे, एक टिकट दे किन्ने शो, अकड़ बकड़ बम्बे बो